Hi, my name is Ricardo Resendiz.
Hi, my name is Vanessa Martinez.
Hi, my name is Aaron Knight.
Hi, my name is Brieana Lane, and this is our content marketing plan.
In this presentation, we will describe our project. We will describe our key persona findings. And in regard to our personas, we made 4 personas in total. From 16 people we interviewed and researched. We made sure to acquire useful information in order to take the U of H DIGM department's content marketing to the next level. For our social media posts, we will describe our rationale behind our choices. We will also provide in detail why we deserve to win.
As digital media experts, it is our duty to provide our professional recommendation for the branding needs of our clients. In this case, the University of Houston Digital Media Department. Today, we are going to analyze a set of personas that we've created based off of real-life market research. These personas are what we've used to generate relevant content for our client and their customers. This market research ensures that our content is exactly what the customer wants. For the University of Houston Digital Media program, we cater to the students who are majoring and minoring in the field. For example, we have created several mock website templates, an infographic catered to the commuters at the U of H Sugar Land campus, email marketing campaign templates, a social media posting schedule, and more. Take a look.
This is Vanessa Martinez, and I'll be walking you through the website portion of our project too. After researching some of the best educational website styles, I created 4 page styles that meet the University of Houston style guidelines. Therefore, I created 2 page styles for a home page and also 2 page styles for the About Me page. Then, 2 of these page styles were used to create the home page and About Me page for our client. For example, I designed a home page with a photograph that shows the inclusiveness of the digital media program at the University of Houston. Then, based on our persona findings, we discovered that one of the challenges that our personas face is being able to pay or afford tuition fees. Therefore, I added a scholarship section to the home page so it's easier for students to find financial aid information. In addition, the personas mentioned being frustrated by the lack of guidance or creativity, so I added a students' work section so they can see other students' creations and get inspiration from them. Overall, I wanted to achieve a feeling of a homepage that showcases the skills that the digital media program offers to students, and this is why I used a lot of icons that represent the different area of emphasis that are under the digital media program. I also wanted to emphasize in the social media portion since a lot of our personas are very active in social media. That is why I put a section dedicated to social media so people can stay connected to the digital media program through social media. Next, the About Me page states the vision and mission of the digital media program, and at the same time, it features the digital media program's iconic definition of digital media, so the public gets to know what truly digital media is about. Our personas findings were divided into categories. Under the lifestyle category, our personas work full-time or part-time and are employed under a technology-related job. Furthermore, under the educational category, our personas have transferred from other institutions, such as community colleges, to the University of Houston. Among the challenges, they mentioned commuting to campus is hard since the digital media program is taught at the Sugar Land campus. Also, their goals include establishing their own businesses and graduating with a digital media degree with a high GPA.
Furthermore, our personas mentioned that balancing school, work, and social life was one of their hardest challenges. In addition, they are very active in social media, mostly using Facebook and Instagram. For instance, they spend between 5 to 7 hours per day on social media on their mobile devices. Furthermore, it seems that our personas use Apple products to create their digital media designs, and they all agree that they are the best products when it comes to designing. For my social media post,
I created a post with a campus tour video of the George building, since our personas mentioned that having to commute to the Sugarland campus was one of their challenges. I thought that since the first 2 years of the digital media program are taught at the main campus, then having a video that shows more about the Sugarland campus will benefit a lot of the new digital media students that commute to the Sugarland campus. Secondly, I created an inspirational post that talks about the whole goal of the digital media program, since they emphasize that digital media students are not just graphic designers, but they have to create content that sends the right message to the right people at the right time and through the right media. Thirdly, our personas are mostly under the e-media and e-commerce area of emphasis. Hence, I wanted to talk about the newest addition to the e-commerce area of emphasis, a class that is designed to teach students how to create a fully operated e-commerce website, which will be useful to our personas since they mentioned establishing their own business is one of their goals. Lastly, our personas mentioned that the lack of guidance from the digital media program as to what to expect from the classes or area of emphasis is part of their frustrations. Therefore, I created a post that talks about an event organized by two of the motion media professors to show other students what type of events digital media students have the opportunity to attend, and to show what the motion media area of emphasis has to offer to digital media students.
Hi, my name is Brieana, and this is my part of the project. So basically, for the persona, the person was a simulation and gaming student, female from Houston, white ethnicity, lifestyle, works full-time student, lives at home and pays for college, educational, Houston Community College, then transferred to University of Houston. She likes Adobe Suite and gaming. Her challenges are creativity, programming, work, school, life balance, and her frustrations was sometimes the classes seem redundant at times, but her main goal is to become a coder and excellent in DIGM gaming and simulation. What she desires is to graduate with a high GPA. Her technological devices were iPhone, an iPad, and a gaming computer. The social media platform she uses was Instagram, Snapchat, DeviantArt, and Facebook. She also uses these platforms about 7 hours per day, uses it for school and after work, and posts personal updates. So from here, if we go all the way down, we're going to have our posting. So here is where I have my post for the University of Houston for different platforms. My main thing why I use images recurring on each post is because images provide familiarity, and when someone sees the image continuously, they start to associate it with other information that they've learned from that post. So that's why throughout my post, you'll see all the images have kind of the same platform and layout.
After making our personas, we decided to find out what topics were of mutual interest. Here's a few posts based off of what I feel. The first topic was minors. There are many people who are interested in digital media but do not choose to major in it. This is an informative post for those people. It will be posted on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The next topic is student resources, and this comes from the ignorance of a lot of our personas not knowing what is available to them. This would be posted on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. The next topic would be career advice, and this also comes from the lack of knowledge from our personas about what opportunities and resources are available to them. This will be posted on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. The final one is video games and graphic media. This is a video post, and it would be posted on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Social media posts. I started off with creating a blog post about connecting with the campus. What our personas had in common was that they did not feel connected with the campus since most of them were transfer students. What I did was give them a solution to their problem by posting a blog about 3 magnificent ways to feel connected with the campus. For my second social media post, I decided to make a blog about balancing school, work, and social life. Our personas have had trouble balancing their school life. I decided to solve this by giving them 4 tips to balance their school life. For my third social media post, I decided to take the personas into consideration because they had concerns that they weren't creative enough. What I decided to do for them is provide useful content by making a blog that had 3 fun ways to become more creative. For my last post, I decided to make a video about how to be successful as a digital media student. Our personas wanted to graduate with high GPAs and graduate in 4 years. In order to do that, I decided to make a video on what to do in order to be successful in the digital media program, in order for them to be able to reach their goals. As you can see, I decided to post all of my blogs on Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook. But for my video, I decided to stick with just Facebook and Twitter, because on Instagram, you can only add links to videos on their profiles and on the profile descriptions. And the video was too long to post it directly to Instagram.
And this is my second part. I did the social media management software. I chose Sprout Social mainly because, so Sprout Social is a social media management program that allows users to post on various media platforms. Why? Because I've used it before and I trust it mainly, and because compared to a lot of other platforms, it's very cost efficient. And it also has this attractive tool called Discovery Feed where the program notifies you when other users are using or on different platforms and they're saying your name. And the payment plans aren't that expensive compared to Hootsuite and other social media management platforms. I also did the e-campaign. I made it very sweet and to the point, mainly because at the end of it, I want a call to action. So that's why I had the find out more button at the end. So I basically wanted to get the attention of people who are interested in the digital media field, and I guess bullet point the reasons why they should join and then have a call to action at the end.
For our additional way to communicate our story, I decided to make an infographic about alternative transportation. Why, you ask? Because according to our personas, one of their challenges was commuting to campus. What I provided was a solution to alternative transportation that saves them money and stress from commuting.
Developing relevant content is only part of a proper strategy. The other part is when to post. A lot of research went into the time selection of each post. Websites like socialbackers.com helped with this process. With analytics provided by other successful college-based social media accounts, we were able to decide what to post and at what time. Here's a brief overview of our 1-week example. You'll see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As you can see, 4 content creators were able to unify under one brand. Each topic reaches our personas at optimal times. And here's an overview on how to read the chart. Here you can see each network that we're posting on, what time we're posting, what type of content is being posted, the topic of each post that is catered toward our personas, the text that is provided in each post, links, pictures, and hashtags if they apply to each post. They aren't necessary, and the author of each post. And that is a brief overview of our scheduling.
Here are some suggestions on how to track our results. I decided to suggest a wide variety of platforms that range from a variety of prices. All these platforms have resources and tools on tracking our results. The only difference is in their price, so I suggest to choose one that is within our budget. As you can see, Agora Pulse is $468 a year, Sprout Social is $1,070 a year, Hootsuite is $5,980 a year, and Falcon.io does not give you a price until you request it.
The University of Houston DIGM's department's mission is to prepare technology-savvy graduates to develop, design, and manage established and emerging media that meets and exceeds the visual communications needs of their clients. That is exactly what our content embodies. We meticulously took our personas into consideration to create relevant content in order for the DIGM audience can be engaged with our social media posts, which results in a successful content strategy and development.